your trash and everyone else's trash is all mixed together. You mentioned single stream, so it's all coming together on one conveyor belt. The computer, this computer vision, the cameras, the technology, they're quickly going through and they're making an assessment, visually looking at a product. And even you mentioned even types of plastic. Was that right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So AI is really our core enabling technology. And so it starts with a vision system on a conveyor belt, RGB. And so we've spent all 7 years really training this AI to be able to understand what are we looking at on the belt. We consider ourselves pretty far along. Our customers often tell us we're the best in the industry at the detection of these materials, but we believe we have lots more runway. We're not going to just settle with where we are. There's so much more that we can do. And so we're going down this belt, you're going under the vision system, we're applying this trained data set to what we're seeing. And then we're picking out based on the customer's preference of what they're trying to sort where in their plant to drive a command to the robotic arm to pick the item, move it to where the customer has specified that material goes. So we can have 4 drop points per robot arm. The really cool thing about AI compared to a human, you can detect faster, you can learn something and then apply it. And you can see this nuance that a human eye can't always take the time to see it and process it as fast as these belts are moving. So things like some materials, especially in the construction and demolition world, to the human eye, they might look the same. They might look like 2 pieces of metal that really look very similar. But if they're bent or they're fractured in any way, that fracture pattern is different. So that's what we're able to train against for AI to get these items to be recognizable. We can see, or we've trained to be able to see specific items as well. So things like brand logos, like a Starbucks cup, or Pepsi. Even some of the rigid cardboard cans, like a Pringles can, we're able to detect those things. So that's what leads our customers to be able to sort more specifically, and that drives up that bale purity so they can command a higher revenue for that bale.